Okay, folks, this here's my pressure in the line coming from a well, coming into my water tank right down the side of it. And of course I got the switch up there that clicks it on and off. It all works with the water pressure. And I've been having a problem with a water leak, and I noticed it was cranking up pretty regular because I seen the lights kept flicking in the house. So I went down there and opened it up so I could see the gauge, and I saw it just slowly drifting back to the lowest point of the gauge. And I knew right then that I had a problem with my water supply. Either it was leaking back in the well, or either it was leaking somewhere on the line going to the house. And so what I did, I cut it off, and I didn't see no cut it off at the well. I had a cut off right there, pretty close to where the switch is, and I didn't see it move. So I cut it back on, and it started moving again. So I knew I had a leak up the line going towards the house, either under the house. So I went and I looked at the lines. I said, wow, I just hope I don't have to dig all them lines and replace them. Probably about 200 foot of them. So I went ahead and went to the crawl space and went up under through the underpin and went up under the house. And the time I got in the crawl space, I could hear it. I could hear the water leaking. And I went straight to it, and there it was. It was the main water supply line hooking in to the floor right where the water heater is installed inside of the house. And so it was on the main water line. So I went ahead and I cut the water off completely. And I went ahead and got me a quick snap fit. And it's that trailer type height. It's not a regular PVC. And I got me a piece of that and cut it and just cut out the space to make up for the room for the part that I was going to. The snapping part, I don't know what you call it. But all you do is just snap it on, and that's got it. So that's what I did. I cut out enough so the lines will still match up and not be. So what I did, I went ahead and snapped it in one end of the pipe, and then it was just right where I had cut it and measured it. I just snapped it into the other end, and I hooked both ends together, and voila, that fixed my water. I went and cut it on, no leak, no nothing. Man, that's the way to go. So if you ever work on that mobile home plumbing, go to your supplier, buy the quick snaps where you can cut it out, add a piece of the pipe. They got the pipe and everything right there. And you can replace the whole piece that's got a hole in it. You can do it all in just minutes. All you do is cut it out, put the good piece in, and you got it going on. Thank y'all for looking at my video.